I am Paristani and you are watching Mr. Paristan. Today this video I will teach you a simple vacuum cleaner showing a table. This is a plastic bottle vacuum cleaner. So what I tend to do, I take a plastic bottle and cut in the middle, place fan such a way it will throw an outlet this side, and I glue with fan join with glue into the bottle, and then that in top section and back section I then also glue it to top section via join with wire glue, and then I made a one hole there in the back side, so it will take the air in this hole, and I see this it will shut all air there of the bottle mouth and give into this hole and out it. And right now, and I have the two wires to a fan. One is at the 12 volts of this shaft at these showing the air power supply. Shaft at power supply which I already repaired it. So I at this power supply, one of the terminal 12 volt terminal is there, and then the ground is at the left out wire. And I also turn on the power supply by joining green and black wire to the other, and this is a yellow wire which can output 15 amps with 12 volts. Now it's turn, this is a fan. Now turn on and check it. Now I turn on it, and now see it's with the fan. Now you can see it is with the air, it is cut the air outward and it is cut the fan out. You can see it is what we tend to do is we will take the air downside, turn on fan, cut the air bottom side with fan and blow air to top and cut the sand or dust inside the vacuum cleaner. And this is designed with the material to power